Did you know that your first 100 subscribers on YouTube are actually designed to be hard to get? It took me almost 8 months to hit my first 100 with my Rookie Handyman channel, and once I realized what I was doing wrong, everything clicked after that for my channels. Today, I'm going to walk you through 4 shifts that separate creators who are stuck in single digits from creators who build real momentum, and at the end I will explain why hitting this 100 subscriber mark rewrites the rules of the game for you. When you are just starting out, YouTube doesn't know who you are yet. Think about it, you are just one voice in millions of other voices, and the algorithm, it has no idea what kind of audience connects with your content. Every view, every comment, every subscriber is teaching YouTube something about you. But until you hit certain thresholds, you are basically invisible to the algorithm. And this is why so many creators give up right here. They think something is wrong with their content when in reality, the platform is still figuring out where they fit. And this brings me to the first shift that you need to do. And this one is going to sting a little bit, but you need to stop being entertainment show. I know you have so many interests and you want to share all of them, but here's the brutal truth. Confused audience will not subscribe to your channel. Imagine this, you walk into a restaurant and on the menu you have pizza, you have sushi, you have tacos, and I don't know, you have ice cream slushy. What's your first thought? Probably that none of those items are going to be great, right? That's exactly what happens when your channel covers gaming on Monday, cooking on Wednesday, and talking about crypto on Friday. Your audience needs to know what they are signing up for. Pick just one thing that you could talk about for hours without getting bored. The thing your friends always come to you for advice about. That's your lane, and you need to own it completely. The second shift is treating your thumbnail and title like a married couple. Your thumbnail should make someone stop scrolling, and your title should make them click on that video. For example, if your thumbnail shows a shocked face looking at a computer screen, your title better deliver on why they should be shocked looking at that computer screen. You get it? Don't just copy what everyone else is doing in your niche. Find your own visual language. Maybe you always use a specific color scheme, or you have a unique way of framing your shots. Just find something that makes your content recognizable even in a crowded feed. The third shift, and this is where the magic really happens, and this is understanding that YouTube is social media. It is not broadcast media. You are not a TV station pushing content into void. You are starting real conversations. In those early videos, treat every comment like gold, not just thumbs up and generic thank you for the comment, but with real responses that keep conversation going. Ask follow-up questions, share additional insights, make people feel heard. This is how you build a relationship with your viewers, and when you help them understand something, they will pay it back by subscribing to your channel. The fourth shift is redefining what consistency means. Everyone tells you to post as much as possible on YouTube, but that is not actually what consistency is about. Consistency is about being reliable. If you tell people that you will post every Thursday, then post every Thursday. If you can manage to post only once a month, pick a date and post once a month. Your audience needs to know when to expect you. It's like having a favorite TV show. You tune in because you know when it's on. Same principle applies here. Just pick a schedule you can actually stick to and become known for keeping your word. Now, here's why that 100 subscriber mark changes everything. This is a signal to YouTube that you are worth paying attention to. The algorithm starts testing your content with a little bit bigger audience. Your videos begin showing up in suggested feed more and more. You unlock community features to help you build more connections and deeper connections with your audience. But more importantly, you start to see what actually works for your channel. You understand your audience a little bit better. You know which topics get people excited about and which ones fall flat. Those first 100 subscribers are essentially your focus group, teaching you how to create content that resonates. And if you're sitting at 15 subscribers right now, feeling a little bit discouraged, just remember this. You are not behind everyone else. You are just in the learning phase of your YouTube channel and you just have to stick with it. Focus on these 4 areas. Narrow down your focus, align your thumbnails and your titles, engage authentically with whoever comments on your channel, and be consistent. Your breakthrough isn't a matter of if, it's a matter of when. If this helped you to see your YouTube journey a little bit different, hit that subscribe button. I share strategies like this every week to help creators just like you build real momentum on the platform. And if you want to learn how to build real trust with your viewers, then check out this video right here. Thank you guys for watching this video with me, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!